So here we have completed 10 sections of this sophomore track. Now let's move on to 11.1, where we will build on-chain DOA to invest in NFT. Let's see. To build a DAO for your NFT holders. So what is DAO? DAO stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization. You can think of DAOs as analogous to companies in the real world. Essentially, DAOs allowed for members to create and vote on governance decisions. In traditional companies, when a decision needs to be made, the board of directors or executive of the company are in charge of making the decision. In a DAO, however, this process is democratized and any member can create a proposal and all other members can vote on it. Each proposal created has a deadline for voting. After that deadline, the decision is made in favor of voting outcomes, yes or no. Membership in DAO is typically restricted either by ownership of ERC20 tokens or by ownership of NFTs. Example, we are member and voting power is proportional to how many tokens you own, including Uniswap and ENS. Example here where they are based on NFTs including Mavitius. So let's build a DAO. You want to launch a DAO for holders of your crypto dApps NFTs. From the ether that was gained through the ICO, you build up a DAO treasury. DAO now has a lot of ether but currently does nothing with it. You want to allow your NFT holder to create and vote on proposal to use the ether for purchasing other NFTs from the marketplace and speculate on price. Maybe in the future, when you sell the NFT back, you split the profit among all members of the DAOs. So, what are the requirements? Anyone with the CryptoDev NFT can create proposal to purchase a different NFT from marketplace. Everyone with the CryptoDevs NFT can vote for and against in the active proposals. Each NFT counts as one vote for each proposal. Voter cannot vote multiple times on the same proposal in the same NFT. If majority of the voters vote for the proposal by the deadline, the NFT purchase is automatically executed. So what we will make to be able to purchase NFT automatically when a proposal is passed, you need on-chain NFT marketplace that you can call a purchase function. There exists a lot of NFT marketplaces out there, but to avoid over complicating things, we will create a simplified fake NFT marketplace for this tutorial as the focus is on the DAO. We will also make the actual DAO smart contract using Hardhead. We will make the website using the Next.js to allow users to create and vote on proposal. So what are the prerequisites for this section? You have completed an NFT collection tutorial from earlier. You must have some ether to give to the tutorial. Okay, so we have both. Now let's build it. We'll start off with the first creating the smart contract, creating two smart contracts, fake NFT marketplace, crypto dev DAOs. Okay, now let's create it. Now create a folder here DAO tutorial. Now let's create a new folder. Inside it, with the name, uh, hardware tutorial.